Since its 1982 debut, the Nike Air Force 1 has been a cultural staple, worn by basketball greats, musicians, and fashion icons alike. Now, the silhouette returns with a fresh, celestial-inspired look, the Nike Air Force 1 Low Starstruck. This new edition brings the theme to life with star-shaped perforations across light blue suede overlays at the toe, heel, and eye stays. A matching star-shaped lace dubrae adds a whimsical touch, while white leather underlays and a vibrant blue swoosh create sharp contrast. The tonal theme continues inside with a blue sockliner and a semi-translucent outsole that echoes the cool palette. Though this isn't Nike's first time drawing inspiration from the stars, Starstruck feels perfect for the season with its fresh, airy tones and clean build. Balancing bold detail with timeless design, it's an ideal summer-ready update to a classic sneaker icon.